Today's highlights. Trying a jet-powered surfboard in big waves. The Skeleton Bay Shootout. Surf contest at the best wave in the world. POV surfing perfect Indonesian barrels with Anthony Walsh. The Sickos, a gang of people who enjoy pushing all sorts of limits and doing all sorts of strange-ish things, got their hands on one.
So we got this thing in the mail a couple days ago. No one has ever tried one of these. This is the first time this has ever been involved in Sicko's history.
What the heck?
Dude, look at this jet at the end. It looks like an Iron Man jet. Like it's like a jet ski. So it's like all the water comes in here. But I think you have to sink this entire thing. So I literally think you're gonna have to be standing like all the way on the back. I've seen videos people do it.
First, they got their feet in the wax in some flat water, but then they decided they needed to take it somewhere with actual waves. And so they did.
Here goes Caden, on away.
Find out more at theinertia.com. The Skeleton Bay Shootout took place over 3 days in late June in non-stop 3 to 6 foot barrels in Namibia. The speciality event looks to recognize the standout surfers of the swell, and the rules are simple: show up and pull in.
There we are, back in Namibia, Skeleton Bay. I'm so happy to be back. What's this? That's for the winner. Yeah, we get the best wave of the 4 days.
Find out more at youtube.com/NowNowTV. GoPro athlete Anthony Walsh hails from Australia's Gold Coast, but it can be hard to pin down his exact location. We caught up with him in Indonesia for a sunrise session of hollow barrels, glassy conditions, beautiful visions. Find out more at youtube.com/GoPro.